Welcome back to our channel, Tech World everybody. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can use Telegram. So basically, Telegram is the app where you guys can log in into it or create an account using your phone number. Once a great account using your phone number, you can add your friend if they use Telegram, and you can also find them via their contact number. And you can add them on your Telegram group and send message received message. It's similar to Viber. Alright, so if you used Viber in the past, you can use Telegram. But even if you have not used Viber until now, don't worry, because this video is for all you beginners who are new to Telegram, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can use Telegram as a professional by the end of this video. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. Let's move on. First step, you can download Telegram from your Play Store or App Store easily and just open it just like this. After you open it, wait for some time until it opens up and click on Start Messaging. Now, as I said, in order to use Telegram you need your phone numbers. So over here, you need to choose from which country you are. So I'm going to choose my country. You choose your country. Right after choosing your country, you need to enter your phone number and click on this arrow button over here. So I'm going to do that, you also do that. And after you do that, it's going to send a verification code to your phone number. So wait for some time until you receive the code. After you receive the code, you can type the code over here. After you type the code, on the next step, your Telegram should open up just like on my screen. That after your Telegram opens up, in order to send message, what you can do is just click on the person's name to whom you want to send message. So let's say I want to send a message to Nepal. Sure, I can click on the pulse here, and over here at the bottom where it says message and time for general message I want, so I'm going to write nice, and I can click on this arrow and my message is going to be sent just like this. And over here, if you want to attach any files, then you can click on this little icon, then you can choose your file, video, anything from over here. Just click on it and then just click on this little button over here, then it's going to be uploaded just like that. So that's how we guys can send message, as well as you guys can send files or videos on your Telegram, and you can also receive messages just like this. It's similar to that. So hope you guys understand how you guys can use Telegram. These are the only thing you need to know for beginner. So hope you guys understand. And in order to go to the settings, you can click on this 3 arrow, and as you guys can see, you can click on setting. You're at the setting page as well. So that's how we guys can do it. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech World.